Hello, Paul Sherry RVs. I have a 2004 Forest River Cedar Creek Silverback. The model is a 31LBHBS, which is a bunkhouse. Overall length 31 feet 8 inches. Dry weight 9,700 pounds. It's a nice, clean, used fifth wheel. Follow me and I'll give you a walk around. It does have some fading on the decals, and we took that into consideration. It is 2004. Does have a nice awning. It's a double axle. We have storage in the back. Storage up front, and it's a complete pass-through. As you see there, aluminum framing, and then there's a heat duct that goes down into the basement to protect your holding tanks. We'll go over everything with you head to toe. We fill propane bottles, we install battery, we'll plug it in and give you a complete walk around to demonstrate the air conditioning works, hot water heater works, furnace, all appliances. We go through all the major banks and credit unions. We do take trade-ins as well. We're right here in Pickle, Ohio. I-75, exit 83. It has a double sofa that lays into a bed, a booth dinette. That's about the fifth wheel that you have all this headroom, that you can have a ceiling fan and great pantry storage. The back bunk has a door. We have wardrobe and storage drawers in here for the bunk area. So it's a double bunk with windows. So there's speakers back here, there's an air conditioning duct back here, a furnace duct, all the nice features. Double door refrigerator, freezer, it's a automatic with the wood insert. We have a three burner stove. Nice microwave. Great storage all the way around. I hope the camera picks up all the storage that it has. Walking up in the bedroom. It's a queen bed. It's on a slide. It's a front wardrobe, so you have all this wardrobe. And then drawers along the front of the bed, sink and shower, and then the toilet is separated by, which is a nice floor plan. So again, my name is Dave Kassler, right here, Paul Sherry RVs. We'll give you a head-to-toe walk around to demonstrate how everything works. It is a 2004 Forest River Cedar Creek. MSRP is $11,900. We have it on sale for $99.95. It's a double slide bunk room. Give us a call. Again, my name is Dave Kassler. You can ask for me. Our hours are Monday through Thursday, 9 to 7, and then Friday and Saturday, 9 to 5. Every Saturday, we open all the doors for an open house. Gives our customers an opportunity to walk through our over 300 units that we have in stock. We are stuffed with RVs, so we do not collect them, everybody. We sell them, and we guarantee to work. So you give us a call, let us know if you're interested. Set an appointment if you want to come in. I'll be glad to show you around. Again, my name is Dave Kassler. And I wanted to thank you very much for watching this video. You have a great day. Bye.